Christmas meaning or joy?
You can now take a trip to the North Pole, and you don't have to go far to do it. Throughout the holidays, Entertainment Junction is allowing families to come and experience the journey. It'll take you on a path through snow, a chance to meet Santa's reindeer, get cookies from Mrs. Claus, and of course, a chance to meet the big guy himself. The experience continues to be something that everyone in the area looks forward to.
With that warm, sort of magical Christmas feel. And I think that's a takeaway. You just really feel like you share it with your family.
Starting December 7th through the end of the month, Entertainment Junction will have extended holiday hours.